Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. This time we making some, we're gonna do smothered chicken, but we using chicken tenders. So we gotta fry them first, get them nice and brown. Then we'll make our gravy, and I'll show you that stuff in a minute. So let's just get this thing, all the meat into the pan. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy. We are making smothered chicken. But first we gotta fry the chicken first. Okay, get ready. Now we're making gravy. Just browning the flour. Real quick. It's browning. I'm gonna add water. 2 cups of water. Our chicken is golden brown. Put our chicken back in the pan. Uh-oh. Splash. That's okay. And let this smother down. And if this is too light for you, you can always add gravy master to make it darker. Let it cook down. The flour will thicken the gravy, so don't worry about that. And we'll add onions, and we'll serve this over rice. Home Cooking Done Roxy, smothered chicken and rice. All right, this is Home Cooking Done Roxy, smothered chicken and gravy with onions, rosemary, and complete seasoning. The chicken was seasoned and fried, and I made great northern beans, jasmine rice, and also I had a heart to give this week. So I'm gifting a pan of seafood rice to my friend. And I'm not making no freaking cornbread this week. Sorry. I'm gonna double it up with northern beans, great northern beans. Enjoy Home Cooking Done Roxy. Follow me, YouTube and TikTok.